Each year, the Ted W. Belch Award, named after legendary coach and Hall of Fame member Ted Belch, is presented to the coach of the National Champion Policy Debate Team. The name of each year's recipient is added to a permanent replica trophy housed in the National Speech and Debate Association National Headquarters. Please welcome to the stage to present this year's award, the legendary coach himself, Mr. Ted W. Belch. This year's recipient of the Ted W. Belch Award is Dr. Michael Greenstein from Glenbrook North High School in Illinois.